Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm going to introduce the new products on my right hand. This hood system connection cubes, and let me give the overall dimensions. It's from edge to edge, about like a 24.5 inches by 24.5 inches. In depth, about like a 20 inches. For the inner side, it's about like a 22 1/4 inches by 22 1/4 inches. For this extra, the edge of the hinge, it's about like a 3 inches wide and 24 1/4 inches long. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us.